Now, so students, we have to discuss the difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and also function. Okay, function and difference both are included in this. So we'll write function and difference between functions and difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth. So rough endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is formed by what? Formed from cisternae, and it is formed from tubules. Okay, so the rough endoplasm, it will be close to nuclear membranes. Cisternae से form हो रहा है, and cisternae is close to nuclear membrane. This I have told you. Cisternae is close to nuclear membrane, and rough endoplasmic reticulum is formed from cisternae. So obviously, it is closer to nuclear membrane, and it is closer to plasma membrane. Surface ribosomes, obviously ribosomes are present on the surface. Okay, no ribosomes. Ribosomes is present. Okay, now helps in protein synthesis. Okay, helps in protein synthesis and its transport. And it helps in synthesis of lipids and its transport. Next, it is close to nuclear membrane. So तो rough endoplasmic reticulum किस में help करेगा? It helps in transport of nuclear material from nucleus to organ. मतलब न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल को, न्यूक्लियस में न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल होगा ऑब्वियसली, तो वो मटेरियल को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में हेल्प करते हैं दूसरे ऑर्गेनल्स में. ठीक है, तो रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या है? न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल है, उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करेगा अदर ऑर्गेनल्स में. सो इट इज़ द फंक्शन एज पर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ nuclear material, obviously from where? From nucleus. From nucleus to the organelle, other organelle. Okay, and its function, this is also a function I have written, its function. ये भी फंक्शन हो गया. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फंक्शन. it makes desmotubules. What is desmotubules? Let me write. डेस्मोट्यूब्यूल्स की सिंथेसिस में हेल्प करते हैं. दिस इज द स्ट्रैंड्स ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का स्ट्रैंड्स विच रन्स थ्रू प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा. ओके, अभी और ही डिटेल में पढ़ाऊंगी मैं प्लाज्मोडेस्माटा और एवरीथिंग. ओके, so SER makes desmotubules. What is this? Strands of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, कहाँ रन होता है? Which run through plasmodesmata. Okay, what else function? Also makes sarcoplasmic reticulum. Spaces. Sarcoplasmic student. Sarcoplasmic reticulum like एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम होता है, तो सार्कोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? मसल्स में. विच हेल्प्स इन कंडक्शन ऑफ मोटर इम्पल्स इन मसल्स एंड रिमूवल ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड. दिस हेल्प्स इन, लेट मी राइट हियर, helps in conduction of motor impulse. Conduction motor, this is all in details. When we will study animal physiology, then the conduction of nerve impulse, I will explain you structure of muscles, that everything I will teach you. Conduction of motor impulse in muscles and removal of lactic acid from where? मसल्स. मसल से लैक्टिक एसिड को रिमूव करता है. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन, लैक्टिक एसिड कैसे डिपॉजिट हो जाता है? ड्यूरिंग एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. Aerobic respiration in the presence of oxygen, anaerobic in the absence of oxygen. So in the absence of oxygen what happens? Lactic acid muscles में deposit हो जाता है. Okay, which causes muscles fatigue. So it is very essential to remove lactic acid from muscles. So sarcoplasmic helps in conduction of motor impulse and removal of lactic acid during anaerobic respiration in muscles. Okay, what else function is? Detoxification of substance. Like benzpyrene. Or you can say all the other carcinogenic substances are carcinogenic and helps in glycogenolysis. It is also there. Lysis means break. So break, and it is glycogen. Glycogen and lysis means break. The breakdown of glycogen means breakdown of glycogen. Where? In liver cell. Okay. So it is all about the function. One more, just prepare a chart. So this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, जब ये अपना राइबोसोम्स लूज कर देगा, when RER lose ribosomes, what will it form? SER. And SER helps in formation of Golgi body. And Golgi bodies helps in formation of lysosome. And primary lysosomes helps in digestion of food. And this digested food, I am saying digested food, okay, this helps in exocytosis. Helps in exocytosis. Okay, after losing ribosomes, let me write. After losing ribosomes, helps in SCR, helps in formation of Golgi body. Golgi body is here. So students, this is all about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay.